What's going on, guys? Back to the video. So today we are here at Labrador
Park jetty,
and right now we're walking to the jetty. So yeah, see you at the jetty. Hi guys, and welcome to yet another episode of Royang Fishing. Today I headed to Labrador Park to do some multi-species fishing. So yeah, enjoy the video. The day. Ciao! SCAD! 4 species. Whiptail. 5th species. This is a whiptail. Whiptail. Let's release it. Ooh, guys! A big SCAD. Yay!
again. Wow,
But this one,
3 fish already.
no, but this one is the one that
It's different.
yeah, this one I must release.
Oh, okay.
No, I actually catch a lot.
Ah, you catch a lot like that?
Yeah. Huh? Oh, fish. Fishy, fishy. Okay. What is damn small one?
It's like a funny fish. Come on, guys!
Oh!
Whoa! Film! Whoa!
Okay, guys!
Yo, big leather jacket. Whoa, we got a big leather jacket here.
Whoa, yeah.
Yo.
You wanna eat this?
I don't know. I don't think even can.
Delicious.
Okay, then just remove it. I'm scared of it.
Okay, put it there.
Come on, do you get anything?
No.
Yeah, but save it.
Are you sure?
I don't know how to cook it, but just save it for me, okay?
But I don't have water.
Dying. My first leather jacket in so long. I love it.
Oh, it poked me.
I know there's spikes. Is this a cowfish or not?
Oh no, now it came out. Da 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 da, delicious, delicious.
But in the video, you must You must see that record.
Okay, Shia, cut this. Multi-species fishing at Labrador Park today. Another fish. Finally, another fish. This one's a lot bigger. This one is, I think it's a kuneng or something. It's bigger than the ones I caught just now. Big. So many fishes. Hey guys, we came to the end of our fishing trip here at Labrador Park Jetty. So Shiyao has already left and we caught quite a few SCAD, and Shiyao caught one big leather jacket, I think it's called. And yeah, we're gonna head home and do the catch and cook now.